Built around a century ago, this beautiful Tudor-style house was home to a family who immigrated to Canada. The home was passed down through the family until they decided to sell, and they even requested that it be removed from the heritage registry. That was declined, but the property was still sold to a developer for $3 million. The house will remain, with several others being built on the land. Starting off in the back area, it looks like it has a sliding door out to the pool, but we're going to go out there afterwards. This place looks incredible, looks very historic. Let's get at it. So this is just like a little side room here with the old green curtains, piles of garbage. What is this? There's a fire extinguisher halfway into the wall. Okay. Closet. And this kitchen is incredible. Wait till you see this. Yeah. Look at this.
Okay, this is right from the front door. So before you enter the kitchen with Terry, this is the look you get when you come in the kitchen with other guys.
This is Frigidaire.
The blue carpet looks kind of not so nice, but yo, there's a breakfast sit-in area. Huh?
Yeah, bench seating.
That's it, bench seating. Ah.
What is this? Is this an oven? It says Frigidaire cold control.
Yo, oh my god, look at the stove.
Yeah.
What?
How old do you think that is?
That's 40s.
This is a fridge.
I'm gonna take a look after you're done. I'm gonna go open.
Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me?
Oh my god. Yo.
I have never seen a fridge like this. Never.
That's not even a bathroom.
What is this? That's a freezer? Whoa. I don't know what that is. If any of you know your old fridges.
Okay.
What? Trying to get that closed.
So you ready for this?
What is it?
In this room right here,
Mm-hmm.
you think it's a bathroom. When you go in there, there's a door that goes up to the attic.
No.
Stairs, yes.
No.
Yes.
It has a sink.
Yeah, I know. That's what I thought too. It goes, look to your left when you walk in.
There's no toilet. There's just a sink.
Just a sink. It's like a powder room.
And then a door.
Yeah.
And it still has the skeleton key in it.
Yes, I seen that. Whoa. That's so cool.
Okay, I need to get my light out.
This is rich. Oh my god, it is. Yo, how cool.
No, it goes up to the second floor. Oh, this is like a little bedroom, a cubby. Have some decay on the walls. It's the first signs of decay. This place is old. This also still has the skeleton key in the door. Old mattress. This is craziness.
You can light it there or no?
Just going up the stairs. This kitchen is incredible. Yeah, if any of you know anything about that fridge or how old this oven would be, please let us know in the comments. Look at the old bell. This place is unreal. Okay, that's to a room we can get there the other way. I mean, even look at the doorknobs. What's this? Oh, it's just a vent. Okay, it looks like this is the main entryway. Look at that staircase. Look at that. No way. And we have the light. And that is the front door right there. Wow. This place is incredible. Okay, there's another little closet. I'm gonna bother getting the light out for that. Again, the doorknobs. Wow. Look at these big windows. Every door in here is glass with the glass handles. Have another one right here going into this room. Look at this. My goodness. This place is gorgeous. The heater. And check this out. It is the old locks on the door. I mean on the windows. And the old window latches. What else are we gonna find in here? Nice fireplace, double doors, a door on each side of that fireplace. Wow. Nice big bay window. This place. So Carlo's gone up to the second floor. So we're not interrupting each other's videos. I'm gonna see if I can find a way to a basement. Would this be? Yes, we have the basement here. More than likely down here we will need light. It looks like just a little storage room with tons of spider webs. Looks partially finished. That's just a little cubby space. Now the doorknobs down here are not as nice. It's not that fancy glass, but they're still very old and nice to see. Oh yeah, spider webs everywhere down here. Have a workbench. And there is a welding mask. hanging on the ceiling. Look at that, we have the old ceramic electrical fixtures. That electrical looks like a total mess. And just another little room. Check this door out. Wonder what that leads to. Not the easiest to open. Okay, and it just leads into like a little electrical room. It's quite the door for it. And then the furnace room. That's the old vent down there. You can feel a breeze coming in from it. Okay, that's the basement. Pretty awesome, just as awesome as the first floor, I think. Just for the old features. Let's go check out that second floor. So freaking nice. Oh, look at it from up here.
So,
That's
pretty
good.
epic so far.
Oh yeah.
Still one more surprise for you to see.
Is there?
Yeah.
There's a surprise up here?
Yeah.
Alright. See if I can find it.
I'm not gonna show you his reaction. I'm gonna start adding my video up, guys. But don't forget, guys, his links are all down below.
Yeah.
Mine are all down below. Don't forget to subscribe to both of us. Follow us on our social media so you guys know where we are when we do events together. So you guys see different perspectives of each of our adventures, right? So, with that being said, you know, keep it real, keep positive, and I'm out.
I know that these kind of light fixtures are 1920-ish style.
Actually, I might keep you like.
Look at this light. And did you notice the wall?
No, I didn't. I know it's the roof. I'm not gonna finish my video.
There's too much in here to see.
Yeah.
Small little chandelier. Seeing some decay by these lights. This place is awesome. Looks like we have a bathroom here, and look at how old this is. Look at how old this bathtub is. Wow. Wow. Same with the sink. And they're in such good condition. Holy. What are these? Are these closets?
I don't know.
You don't know? What? What?
Yes. Another one.
Is it just another room up there?
No, it's bigger. You
Oh,
gotta
okay.
check it out.
I'm gonna go up there
I
now.
wanted your reaction. I had the same reaction when I found that door. I was like, what the heck?
Do I need a light up for up here? No.
Check his reaction on his video.
Alright, this is the vent. Oh, there's a breeze up here. A lot more decay. That's just a closet. Every feature in here, the windows, everything. Look at this. I am gonna have to get my light back out. This is another loft. Lot more damage. I got the brick wall. What do you think is in here? Box says wallpaper. There's rolls of wallpaper. This loft area is huge. Wow. In a lot worse shape though. That's for sure. Just incredible. I love this house. Yeah, I have. Built-in dresser in the closet. The door is by the kitchen. Check this out. We have the built-in cabinets and shelves. And a decently sized bedroom. Yeah, very decently sized bedroom. Very old lights on the wall. And of course, the key's still in the lock for this room as well. Wow. Every room has these old light fixtures. So many old features. Hats, purses, and tape recorder. Tape recorder. How old is that? Okay, I think we've done the house. We will go check out the pool in the backyard. Very decently sized pool. Not gonna go too close just because there's a lot of neighbors and we'd have to hop a fence. Pool still has ice in it.
Yep. Ice, ice, baby. Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. Carlos back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly like Terry and me go, I don't know.
You lost it.
I did.
And look at the nice stonework. Carlo failed. I love the stone on the outside of this building. What a historic explorer. I'm in my heyday in this place. It's freaking amazing. Let us know what you guys think. If we missed anything, please let us know. Make sure to check Carlo out. All his info is going to be in the description. And as always, see you on the next adventure.